How to fix Windows 11 update not showing up in update settings. So let's understand the rollout problem here. The first one is a stage rollout. So Microsoft typically roll out updates gradually. Not all devices receive updates simultaneously, which means you might have to wait a little longer if your device is not prioritized. Right now, this is very important, and certain devices may have compatibility issues that prevent them from receiving the update. For instance, my laptop is a Asus model have experienced problem during the update process, leading Microsoft to apply a compatibility hold on those devices. Right, so if I just go to the Windows update, usually I get the Windows update a little bit late as compared to other devices. Now how you can do this, so the first thing is that you can always force the update. So press start plus R and a run will open up in your system here. Now here you have to just type gpedit.msc and press the OK. Now, if you're facing the same issue just like me, if it is not available in your system, then you have to go to the settings, go to the Windows Update here, right? And once you're here, you have to click on check for updates, right? And it will just check for update here. And then if there's any update, you can always update it, right? Now enable target feature update version. So find and double click on manage update offered from Windows Update. Set it enable and the field provided enter Windows 11 bottom field, that is a 24H2, and apply the changes. Click OK, then restart your computer. It will usually work out, right? So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.